My name is Priya Wagmare. Today we are going to learn software project management. So, in this, the first topic is Introduction to Software Project Management. In this session, we will see Introduction to Software Project Management, why software project management is important, what is project, what is task, job versus project, that is there is some difference between job and project that we will see later, and last point is characteristics of project. So let us see the first with we start with introduction to software project management. In this introduction, the main questions to be addressed will be: first is, what is exactly software project management? So this is going to be tackled by looking firstly at what is mean by project. Then we are going to examine whether a software project management is really different from normal project management, and is there anything special about software as opposed to engineered artifact. And the second question will be arise is how to do how do we define whether a project is success or not. So the point about studying project management is to be able to have successful projects. So how do we know if we have success, if you have been successful or not? Suppose uh, whether your project is success or not, uh, we have to uh, I will give one example here. For example, if you have a project and in that we invest 10,000 in your project and you will get benefit, that is 15,000. So how much gateway you will uh, actual benefit? So you will get 5,000. That is, you invest, cost of investment is 10,000 and the cost of benefit is 15,000. That is, it means that you will get benefit, that is you get a profit of 5,000. That is, from this point you can say that your project is successful. So this is the first example, this is one of the example of uh, whether a project is success or not. So let us see the next point is why software project management is important. So as we know that large amount of money are spent on ICT project. It means in technical projects. On technical projects, a lot of money are spent. For example, UK government in 2003 4 spent $2.3 billions on contracts for ICT and only $1.4 billions on road building. This project often fell. Sandisk company claim only a third of ICT projects are successful, and 82% were late, and 43% exceeded their budget. So why this happened? Because of poor project management. So if your project management is good, then you will get benefit. Otherwise, you will get loss. So that is why we have to know how to manage your software project. That's why we have to learn, we have to study how to manage your software project. That's it about why software project management is important. The next point is what is project. So you have some idea of project, but here dictionary definitions are: a project is nothing but a specific plan or design. As we know that if you want to create your project, you have to make a plan, we have to make a design, we have to make a blueprint of that project. Okay, so uh, a project contains multiple tasks. As you know that a work contain multiple tasks. A task is nothing but small piece of work. What I said, project consists of multiple tasks. That is, project is made up of multiple tasks. And the second point is with a specific time period of completion. As you know that if you want to create your project, you have to set limit, you have to set limit of time of completion of your project. That is, up to 3 months. I have to complete my project in 3 months or in 4 months. So this is all about project. So these are the this is related to software project. uh, Here are some non-software examples also. So the first is a wedding. A wedding is also an project. We have before before wedding, we have to create a plan. We have to create a management for that. Then second example is here an MBA degree. Third one is a house construction project. Before before construction of house, we have to create a blueprint, right? So here this is all about project. The next point is, let us see the next point. What is task? So as I said earlier, a task is a small piece of work. Small piece of work. A small piece of work mean to accomplish a straightforward goal. If you have a if you have to set a goal, for that we have to you have to make a task, we have to do a task. The second point is effort of no longer than a few person hours. As I said, a task is a small piece of work. If your work is small, then the few person hours are required. Then it involves only a few people. So if your task is small, then few members are required in your to do your project. It may or may not be part of some project. Whatever you have to do, that may or may not be part of your project. Next is, it is usually repetition of previously accomplished task. What it means? So task is a repetition of previously accomplished task. Okay. So these are the some software examples. The next is here some non-software examples are attend a lecture class, buy a chocolate from the market. So these are some non-software examples. Book a railway ticket. So this is all about a task. So let us discuss the next point is job versus project. So as we know that there is there is some difference between job and project. So what is job? Yes, job is nothing but a repetition of well-defined and well-understood tasks with very little uncertainty. What is job? Job is nothing but a well-defined and well-understood task with very little uncertainty. For example, your routine work. Your routine work is with very little uncertainty. For example, you go you go market to buy a chocolate or you can you take a bath regularly. So this is your routine work, right? So this is your job. Job is nothing but your routine work. Then job is nothing but your routine work. Then what about exploration? So exploration is nothing but this this exploration is the outcome of this is very uncertain. Uncertainty with your outcome is nothing but exploration. For example, finding a cure of for cancer is uncertain. That is, if a person having a cancer, we don't know uh, when it will cure, when he will cure. So this is all about job and exploration. So we have to know what is project. So project is in between job and exploration. That is, in project, there are some uncertain events and some certain events. It means that in project is in between job and exploration. That's all about job and project. Let us see the next point is characteristics of project. So the first characteristic is job, sorry, project is non-routine. Non-routine, it means there is not a regular task. The second characteristic of project is planning. Before before create we have to create a project. We have to create a plan for that project. That is, you have to create a blueprint for a particular project. Third characteristic is aiming at a specific target. If you have to create a project, you have to keep your target. You have to create a specific target. You have to create your specific aim. Next, carried out for a customer. Obviously, project is carried out for a customer. We have to create for a project for a customer. Next, carried out by a temporary work group. Yes, project is carried out by a temporary work group. Next is involving several specialisms. It means that for creating a project, we have some members who are specialists in some fields. It means that some members are special, some members are uh, special in technical field, some are in testing field, some are in designing field, like that. Next is project is made up of several different phases. As I said earlier, project consists of different phases like analysis phase, requirement gathering, next is design, next one is development, and then testing, and finally we project is released. Next characteristic is constrained by time and resources. Yes, here the meaning of constraint is limitation. We have to set a limit on time and resources. It means that we have to complete your project with a specific time and with a limited resources. Yes, the last characteristic is large and complex. It means that your project will be large or it will be complex, or we can say that your project will be lifelong project also. That's all about characteristics of project. If you have any query, please contact